Welcome to my channel Technical Smart. Hi friends, in this video we are talking about all specifications of the new Redmi G gaming notebook. Redmi G gaming notebook looks like a mid-range offering suited for gaming enthusiasts. Redmi has launched the first ever gaming laptop under its Redmi brand. If you are first time watching my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos and click on bell icon. Let's start. Talking about its specifications, the notebook comes with a 16.1-inch display with a full HD 1920 1080 pixels resolution, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate, and 81% screen-to-body ratio. The company claims a peak brightness of 300 nits, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio with support for DC dimming. It features slim bezels on the top and sides, while the bottom bezel is fairly large that also houses a webcam, which is probably not the best location. As mentioned above, you can get this with up to a latest 10th generation Intel Core i7 CPU with 6 cores and 12 threads. The notebook comes with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650Ti GPU along with 16GB of RAM clocked at 2933 MHz, and 512GB SSD. And front it runs with Windows 10 Home from Microsoft. The notebook also comes with two 2-watt speakers with support for DTS, X Ultra. Connectivity and port options include 2 MIMO dual antenna Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5.1, Gigabit Ethernet, a USB 2.0 port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a mini DisplayPort 1.4 port, a full-size HDMI 2.0 port, a USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. There is a 55Wh battery, which is said to last 5.5 hours with local 1080p video playback. Other notable features include a backlit keyboard with a numpad, multi-finger gestures also with 1.5mm high keystroke, and 178 degrees view angle, a dual fan system with 4 exhausts, 3 copper heat tubes, and a copper cooling module. Its weight around 2.5 kgs. The company is offering the laptop in 3 variants. The base variant features an Intel Core i5 CPU with a 60Hz display priced at 57,000 rupees, while the second variant offers a Intel Core i5 CPU with a 144Hz display priced at 68,000 rupees. The top variant comes with a Intel Core i7 CPU with a 144Hz display priced at 75,500 rupees. All 3 variants come with 512GB of SSD and 16GB RAM. The Redmi G is up for pre-orders in China with sales beginning August 18. There is no information regarding the global availability of the new Redmi G gaming notebook. Don't forget to subscribe channel and like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.